Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Makarash. Shalom to the Akim. Salaki, I meant to say my apologies, slipping the tongue. I meant to say Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And Shalom to the Akim, scattered in four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say Shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out, and this is a recent news article from RT.com as of August the 29th, 2023, and it reads, "Swarm of drones attack airport in Russian city near NATO state governor. Multiple unnamed aircraft have targeted Pskov airport close to the Estonia border." It says the Russian city of Pskov, near the territory of NATO members Estonia and Latvia, has come under attack by a swarm of drones in the early hours of Wednesday. The regional government confirmed the raid, while video showing an explosion air defense lightened up the night sky made rounds on social media. The Russian military is repelling a drone. As you see the highlight up there, it says that Russian air defense repels more drone raids. And it says the Russian military is repelling a drone attack on the Pskov airport regional head Mykolaiv Venderkov confirmed on Telegram, adding he was on site since the start of the incident. Initial information said there were no casualties. We are working to assess property damage, Venderkov added. Emergency service told the TASS that 4 I-76 transport planes were damaged on the ground. The Russian authorities have closed the airspace in the region. It says, according to the several Russian Telegram channels, over a dozen drones have targeted the Pskov airport, and the air defiance were engaging additional UAVs. Social media footage showed what looked like an explosion, accompanied by the sound of smoke on fire. The Russian outlet Redabov claimed about 15 Ukrainian drones targeted the Pskov airport, where were shut down, including with small arms fired. Something appears to have crashed or exploded at the airport. An emergency service responded to the incident. There were no casualties There were no reports of casualties. I meant to say. The MASH Telegram channel reported that one of the drones may have struck a fuel deposit and set it on fire, causing thick black smoke to rise above the city. Pskov is about 700 kilometers north of Ukraine, but only 30 kilometers from the Estonia border. Latvia is about 62 kilometers southwest. Both are NATO member states. To reach the city, drones launched from Ukraine would have to fly over eastern Belarus. Ukraine has previously sent drone swarms to Crimea, where they were met with intense Russian air defense groups. Of the 2-3 UAVs also target the Moscow City Trade Center in the Russian capital, causes minor property damage and no casualties. The Crimea has dismissed attacks as a notion and the act of the desperation extended to distract from Kyiv's failure on the battlefield. gateway.com, and it reads a book of Mark 13 verse 7. It says, "And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end shall not be yet." So with that, this was just a sit-down lesson that I wanted to bring out of this recent news article from the RT.com, Alternative World News, as of August the 29th, 2023, in the categories of Russia and FSU, and it reads, "Swarm of drones attack airport in Russia City near NATO state, governor reports." So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. Once again, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai Bashem, Rakah Kadash, Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and Shalom to the Akim scattered in four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I would say Shalom.